Welcome to our NEPARTAK channel. Here is Dolores speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. 8000W LED grow light full spectrum for hydroponic veg flower plant lamp panel. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website NEPARTAK.com. Our grow light comes with high reflective and noise-free fanless LED grow system design will make your growing life easy and quiet. Quickly heat dispersing material aluminum reducing light loss to aisles and walls, increase the light intensity up to 20%, allowing your plants receive more energy and without burning your plants for maximum headroom. Features: VEG and bloom double channel. The VEG channel utilizes a full spectrum of colors for germinating seedlings and young plants consuming 155W of power. The bloom channel implements more red wavelengths to simulate late summer and is most suited for plants in the flowering stage. VEG and bloom can be used together to encourage maximum growth performance from seedling to harvest. Double chips LEDs/3W equals 1152W. Instructions: by a circular flower booster switch, this plant light has the advantages of both CMH and HPS during the growing and flower blooming stages. And this one plant lamp can completely replace a 315W CMH. 3x 3 feet 1 PCSR grow light, 4x 4 feet 2 PCSR grow light. Perfect spectrum powered by 384 PCS 3500K white LEDs, 8 PCS UVA LEDs, 184 PCS full red LEDs. This spectrum LED grow light emits the perfect combination of red, blue, and white light to stimulate photosynthesis which plant. Daisy chain function: daisy chain compatible to make less cords, which can connect with another LED grow lights to extend the coverage. Not more than 3 PCS lights can be connected and used together by power cords. One item working current 1.5 A. Energy and money and time saving. Optimal cooling system. Built with new upgraded aluminum cooling heat sink. One piece of high-speed whisper quiet cooling fans form a powerful cooling system, which can effectively dissipate heat from the lamp inside to outside and ensure that the plant grow light can work efficiently and ensure long life. Notes: indoor use only, non-waterproof. Stop using light when fans are off. This light includes IR, infrared, LEDs which look dim. They are not faulty LEDs. It plays an important role in the flowering and fruiting stages. Extremely bright: do not look directly at the LED bulbs when the light is on. Surrounding temperature, must less than 40 Celsius. Can be controlled by timer. The video are introducing parts of highlights features of the product. If you want detail info, please reach our website. About NEPARTAK. Shop from a great collection of indoor lighting and outdoor light, commercial lighting, at http://www.nepartakinc.com. Our store offers ceiling light, floor lamp, UV light, floodlight, garden light, LED strip light, solar light, street light, wall washer light, and more. NEPARTAK is a professional store for light and home improving and decoration light products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, NEPARTAK can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via DoloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.